channel. Today we're gonna make some mango jerk chicken. That was a very horrible British accent, but anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. Today we're gonna be making some mango jerk chicken. Now this recipe was inspired by a friend of mine. She also has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna link her channel up here or here. One of the sides is gonna be there. I'm also gonna link it down below. And she does really healthy videos, so if you're on your health journey, you can definitely give her channel check out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so like I said, this video was inspired by my friend KELLZ. Shout out to her. So right here in a heated pan with oil, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic and a teaspoon of ginger. Get that stirred in. Alright, so here I'm gonna add a half cup of mangoes and a half cup of pineapple. Diced pineapple, diced mangoes. You know that song, diced pineapples? I know y'all do. Anyway, just give that a quick stir around. You know, nothing long. Don't let it. Next, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Use any brand that you want, any brand that you're comfortable with. If you're using light soy sauce, that's also fine. And give it a quick stir in. Ensure all the mangoes and pineapples are covered with the soy sauce. Alright, next we're gonna add some honey. Alright, so here you can adjust how much you want in it. For me, I use about 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey here. Adjust to your liking. I have a sweet tooth, so I like sweet things. Give that a quick stir in. Next we're gonna add some lime juice. This is half teaspoon of lime juice. Give that a quick stir in also. Now you know this is also optional, but you know I like my spice, so here I'm adding some chili powder. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Again, this is totally optional. You don't have to put it in there if you don't like spice, because you remember we're doing this with jerk chicken, and if you remember, my jerk chicken sauce had a whole lot of peppers in it, but you know me, I like spicy food. So next we're just gonna take it off the pot and put it in a bullet blender and get it into like a marinade sauce like type. This is what the marinade is looking like, which is fine. So moving on to the chicken, I'm doing 3 pieces. Today's Sunday and this is for my dinner. You know, I'm bougie, so I have to eat different from everybody else. So this has been soaking in seasoning for 2 days, so you know it's well seasoned, well spicy. I'm just gonna save that bag with the spice there to baste the chicken after 20 minutes. This is the chicken after about 45 minutes. I am going to put my mango sauce on it. Yes. Now I'm gonna flip them over and do that side. very thick. That's why I like my sauces.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
Shout out to KELLZ for this idea. She did pan roasted mango chicken, and I'm doing jerk mango chicken. And then we're gonna put it back in the toaster oven for another 20 minutes or less. So this is the end product, and due to all, I surprised my damn self with how good this food tasted. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. See you next time.